Now, in this code, we will learn how to use character format specifier in our program. So, let's start with a new source file. I am writing a comment just to show what we are going to do in our code. So, we will learn in program to use character format specifier. Writing our preprocessor directive #include stdio.h. Then writing our main function, that is int main. Now starting with the body of our program. Now we are going to use character format specifiers. So in our previous lecture we have discussed, for that purpose we need to initialize our variables with a name that is char. That is, now the data type is character type, so we are using char, that is character type. Let's suppose we are using the characters as ch1 and ch2. Means now ch1 and ch2 are two variables here. These variables will store values, and that values will be in the form of characters. So we will use the format specifier which is used for the character types. Now we want to display the output, so we need to use output function, that is printf. I am using here again \n just to introduce new line. Let's suppose enter two characters, because I want to see any characters. So I want to take those characters from the keyboard. That's why I'm writing here a statement that enter two characters, or you can write any statement here depending on your choice. But the thing is, you will write those characters from the keyboard that will be characters, not the integer type or not the decimal type. So enter two characters, right, terminating it with a semicolon. Now with the help of input function, that is scanf, I will take value from the keyboard. Now we need to define here the format specifier of characters which we are entering from the keyboard. So here we need to define the format specifier. So for that purpose we will write %c, that is, now this %c is the format specifier of this first variable, that is ch1, and %c, this is format specifier of ch2. Now in the argument section we will write the input variables, that is &ch1, comma &ch2. Now you can check here, we have written enter two characters. We will enter these characters from the keyboard. Now in order to enter those characters we need scanf function, and in scanf function we need to introduce the format specifier of those characters. So we will write here %c. Now we will use again printf function to see our final output, that is %f \n to introduce new line. The typed character is, the typed characters R. Now we will write here our characters, that is %C, %C for this first one and this %C for the second one. Now it will display our characters, and here we will need to enter the names, that is CH1 and CH2, which are our variable names, terminating it with a semicolon. Now saving this code, use of character format specifier. Now compile this code. Now you can check here, there are no errors. We were basically missing the comma between the two characters, that's why it was giving us wrong output. Now compile this code, run and compile. Now here enter the two characters, that is A, comma B. Now you can check here, in the output we have the type characters are A and B. So this is a program or a way how to write or how to use character format specifiers in our codes.